So now we're wrapping up our color management Camp Woolery class. Here we have all of the samples that we have knit and spun, and I'm just gonna go through them real fast. So the first one we have here, this is our chaos yarn or chaos colorway. Basically just spun the braid however it comes, you know, off the fiber comes off the braid, and there was no planning, no nothing. So you kind of see it gives you a lot of different styles. And so the point of this class is basically how to learn how to control it. So then we move on to the controlled samples. So in the middle here, this was our fractal sample. So this is going to be like a self-striping, and it's going to stay in the same pattern for the whole, if I was to knit all of it, it would stay in the same pattern. And doing this lets you control your yarn. So that's the fractal. This was the gradient ombre-ish sample. So this one we actually chain plied. So when you chain ply, it keeps it in the same, you know, you're using the same color and you don't lose your color gradient. So that's what we did here. So even when you open up this skein, so we opened up the skein, and so now we see basically how the gradient works. And it's gonna go in the same color gradient that your braid is. And you know, in the videos we've posted already, you see how to pull it apart and make it a really nice gradient. So now you can control your yarn. So there's very few barber pulling. There's very, you know, there's much less chaos in this, and it's really pretty. Well, thank you guys for joining us. This has been our first Camp Woolery, and we are so excited to have you guys with us and being able to reach out to you virtually. We hope you post lots of pictures of your yarn on the Facebook page, which the links are below, and also the info packet link is below as well. It's in the description of the video. And we have 2 other Camp Woolery classes that you should definitely look into. Weaving Math 101 with Danny, and then Beginning Rug Punch with Amy, which they are wonderful and hopefully learn lots. So yeah, so thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see your yarn. We can't wait to see all the stuff that you do, and yeah, thank you.